Yes. So let me see the chat later. So can you move to the class? And so you can switch off whenever it is required. I will call you. Thank you. Yes. So please, team leaders, take care of your team. Okay. Kind request, anyone, please remind me by 11:35. Okay, it's 11:45. We have to close. Inform me by 11:35. We will have a little bit discussion. Okay. So can we start? Because we have to discuss few things theoretically. Then we will come back with the activities. Can you proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as we start discussing about marketing, then we are moving towards the product. So as we discussed yesterday, product can be a physical good or intangible good or an idea or a service, whatever it may be. So simply we can say a product is anything which is satisfy the needs of the customer. So anything which is satisfy the needs of the customer, which can be sold, can be called as a product. So there will be a lot of definition which will be available in the book and websites, but we can create our own definition. Okay. Yes, Smita Thomas, do you have any doubt?
No, sir. I didn't.
Okay, fine.
No, sir. No, sir.
And we already discussed about evolution. This evolution itself we have to discuss for 2 or 3 days. So assume that you understood and please browse. So this may be a big question. What are the evolution of marketing concept? What is meant by societal concept? What is meant by holistic marketing? Each one can be a 2-mark question. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call me later. Okay, so this is a short thing which shows what can be a good, what can be a product. So product means not only a physical one, it can be a good. So whichever is having a physical nature, for example, pen, television, mobile, chocolate, soap, whatever it may be, it can be a physical good. That is one thing. And next one, it can be a service. Service is an intangible one, which cannot be seen. For example, if you go to the hotel, we are receiving food. That is a product, physical product. But the service what we are receiving cannot be seen. But why we are going to the hotel? Not only for the food, but also the service we are receiving. For example, if the education, consulting, hospitals, this all gives services which cannot be explained clearly with the physical feature. We can feel. So the services can be marketed, and the events, we come out with a cricket, football, sports event, celebration events, birthday parties. So these are the events which also can be a product which can be promoted and marketed. So events can also be called as a product which can be marketed. And the experiences. So somebody can say how the experiences can be marketed. So I will go with the person. So Sudhakar B.
Sir.
Yes. So whoever called, please switch on immediately. Please answer and please switch off. How the experiences can be marketed. Come up with the example. So please others, please think about all the balance thing. Please ready with the example. If it is done, we will move to the next point. Experience. How we can market the experience. Switch on your audio, please. Fast.
Experience, sir.
Yes.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay, so we'll go with the team. We create a team, right? So Sudhakar belongs to team number 2. Please, all the person in the team number 2, please switch on your video. We should be able to see all the 10 persons. So we can make all the teams interactive and helping each other. So so Raksha will be the team leader. So please, leader, ensure that all the persons are there. Yes, the question is how the experience can be marketed. Anyone can answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Only 7.
So 1 minute, I'll just see. One of my teammate Athira, she will her network connectivity is very low, so she's like usually never able to turn on the video. But I think everyone else is present.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm sorry.
7. 9 is
1 second. I'm just checking the names. There's Akhila, Tirtha, and Amy. No, so I'm not able to see everyone. Ritika.
So please click on the 9 things. There is a 9 dots is there. If you click, you can see the entire screen. Top right,
Sorry, sir.
the top right, there will be a 9 dots. If you click means you can see the entire view.
Oh, okay. All right. Let me try that.
Friends, others should think about the example. How the experiences can be marketed. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9.
All my team members are here, sir, but like I think because of network issues, they're not able to turn on their video.
Go with an answer.
Okay. So guys, how can we market experiences? So I
like-
think, yeah, sorry, yeah, go on, Jetli.
So like review, sir.
Yes. How the experiences
Like
can be marketed.
reviews.
Yes.
Sir,
So
reviews,
basically-
reviews.
Reviews. How you market your reviews?
So say for example, like I'm working for some travel agency or company.
Okay.
I can experience my review. I can share my review so that the customer gets an idea of like what they can
You
experience.
have to sell. When you are selling the experiences, you are speaking about a product. So please, team members, others think about all the other things.
we-
Who will be called?
So we will like focus on one particular feature which has had really great positive review,
Please.
and you know we like
Broad answer. Please give example. Good.
okay,
Example
like
is
for
chocolate.
example, iPhone's camera feature is like iPhone has great camera quality. Like that is one of the reasons why at least I guess many people like to buy like iPhone. So you know, even if there are like some people have issues with battery and stuff, but we can focus on the camera feature of iPhone and say that you know.
If I raise the hand means you have to stop. Okay, that's
Okay.
understanding. Okay, you are speaking about a good. You are speaking about a mobile. Mobile is not an experience. You have to market experience. I am giving you money to get some experience. I am ready to give money. You have to give me some experience.
We'll actually share some good experience which we had.
Yes.
So we'll actually share some good experience which we had. Like for example, if it's traveling, we actually can share our experience on traveling. So
Yes, yes, yes. So please make it as a product. Please, tourism, that is a product. If I give you money, you will take to some place, there I am getting some experience. I am not buying anything, I am not owning anything. Right? You are getting experience. Yes. Any other example fast? After consuming the product, I have only experience. So you are selling only experience. Yes. Anything else?
Telling
trekking.
their knowledge to students.
Knowledge for students, okay. So education can come under service, right?
Service.
Yes,
Service.
sir.
Sir.
But it can also come under experience. No?
Yes?
But it also belongs under experience.
Yes, yes, it is one of the components. You are coming to the college not only for the experience, you're coming for the knowledge, coming for the career, a lot of things are there.
Yes.
No? But you are paying some money to get only experience.
Yes.
I want to experience the ride.
Sir, activities like dance or something.
Okay?
Like dance, something like dance, paying just for the activity. We are not getting a product, but we are like experiencing happiness.
I am giving you money, what you are giving as experience, dancing means whether you will dance, whether I have to dance.
They will teach us dancer.
Okay? Yes, fine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So please click around, switch off. So experience is a thing. When we are ready to give money at the end of the time, after the consumption, we will have some feeling of experience. So mostly we can take as a tourism. Tourism means we will travel around, we will move to the abroad. That we get only experience. And if you go for a giant wheel ride, so mostly if you go to the circus or something, you will feel. Okay, you are not taking anything. So for that experience, you are ready to pay some money. So that is called as experience. Next, the person, how the persons can be marketed. We can go to the team number 8. Fast, fast, don't take more time. Team number 8. Reshma. Is it audible? Reshma team.
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, I am unable to see anyone. Are you there? Team
Yes, sir,
number,
we are here.
team number 8, please switch on the video. Sir, again, please understand, I'm standing in the class. I need people to see. So only by this way I can see you. Yes, can you please give some example for marketing persons?
Laboring, nursing, house nursing, home nursing. അതൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കണം എന്നാണ് എൻ്റെ ഒരു നിഗമനം.
Rani? Reshma, are you there?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Like a teacher to a school, we can market a person.
Okay, no. Okay, so teachers can be marketed.
Yeah.
So whether they are paying money to market themselves?
No.
So we are coming to the commercial perspective. Yes, what you are doing is right. I have to market myself, you have to market you, that's fine. But here we are speaking about commercial perspective. I have to pay some money to market me. Where I will be doing? Which type of person will be doing that? Persons can be marketed.
So like CAs,
CAs?
chartered accountants,
Okay.
they can be marketed.
How? Everyone can be marketed. That is a different thing. But please come up with an example that we can easily understand. For example, I will say for you, during the election time, everybody will be marketing themselves. I get the point. 24 hours,
Yes, sir.
in all the ways, in all the promotional ideas, all digital media, they try to market. What is the benefit they are going to get? Voting. For that, they are ready to spend money to market themselves. Likewise, any other example? Persons can be marketed.
Sir, actors, models.
Yes,
They
celebrities
actually
market themselves.
right?
Why they are marketing them? Why celebrities are marketing
Sir, to get
themselves?
more fame, to get
Yes, only if they market
more
themselves,
fame.
then only there will be acceptance among the audience, then only they will get good films. Correct? They have to market. Even they are getting, after getting into the movie, marketing is done by producers. Correct? But before that, I have to market myself as a model. Wherever possible, I should show that I will act nice, I will look beautiful. Correct? They have to market. Likewise, anything else? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, team number 8. Team number 6, please switch on the video fast. Team number 6, fast. Joel Paul. Yes.
So
How, when the properties can be marketed? Where the properties can be marketed?
properties.
So in team number 6, only 3 people.
Real estate, sir.
Real estate, very good.
So college, education institution, colleges.
Education institution, they are marketing, that comes under organization. Next point. Okay, that comes under organization. Property, asset.
Okay. We can market our vehicles like bike, car.
Very good.
Like selling in OLX or something.
Very good, very good, very good. That's an example.
Sir, marketing hotels, brand hotels, they market themselves.
Services.
Properties. Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
Yes, that comes under services. That can be comes under organization.
They market the property also, no, sir. We basically go there for the property to enjoy the property.
What property you are going to enjoy in hotel? That is a service, right? Whatever the hotel is giving, there is a service. Room service. Food
Yes, sir.
service. If they are marketing their service, then it is called as services marketing. If they are marketing the brand hotel, then it is called as organization. Correct? But we are speaking about properties which should be sold, which should be bought. But it's not a good. It's not a small good.
Land.
Land, yes, it is already said in real estate. Land can be sold. Flats can be sold. Apartments, whatever it may be. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Team number 1. I'm just appraising the which team is very active, who is coming immediately, who is answering. Information and ideas. Andrews, your team is ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give example for how the informations and ideas can be marketed.
So information such as when in a marketplace there are discounts and offers or sales are provided, they put up posters in such way the information it goes around.
Yes, that is
that way.
Yes, that is a strategy. That is a promotion. Here I am meaning you have to sell. When I will buy ID, you have to sell. What you are telling is strategy. Got the point? Yes. Yes, Robin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So probably a package that probably the government is providing, probably a new scheme that is being put forward by any company or any government. So probably that is an idea that is being put forward, but then they are marketing at the same time.
Fantastic. Robin?
Yeah.
Lot of schemes, even new education policy, everything they informing whether we are buying it.
Yes, sir. Obviously, yes. So in certain circumstances, because it is always up to the people whether to accept a particular idea or not.
Yes, acceptance.
So it can be from the government.
Wait, Robin. Acceptance is different, but
Yes,
whether we are giving money to get the information. We are speaking about a product. I am giving you money, you have to give something. Correct?
So how about infrastructure plan, like architectural plan? So you sell your idea, right?
Yes, very good. So engineer is actually selling his plan. Good.
So even so adding on to what Sharon said, even designers, like they sell their information. The person sells their idea to the designer, like product designer. Then
we have to understand what you are telling to say, right?
Idea to a new product.
Yeah, product designer. So like that.
So companies who are approaching third-party companies to get information about other people, like their names and phone numbers, in order to make sales call up for later time. That's also a marketing.
Patency in one word.
Patency?
Yes, sir. Sir, some people are given patency rights. So we patent our own information. We can sell our patency rights to someone. So that is basically ideas we are selling to.
So all the ideas which is patented can be sold. I am asking what idea, what patented?
So in hotel industry, when we are marketing in hotel industry, while we are marketing, we give in our websites that we have got such a special offers. So basically, we give them the idea and the promotion of our particular thing, what's happening, and
Yes, Mary, you are right. But whether I am buying a product or buying the information, for example, going to the hotel means I am ready to get the service. I am not ready to buy your information, right?
Sir, over there.
So
over
that's what I'm
there, I
saying.
would. Yeah, Melvin, you want to go?
Sir, when there are discounts and offers, people do go and buy
we
it.
are particularly displaying about some information about that particular. We have different segments in the hotel industry. So one particular hotels, one particular thing we are marketing, and we want people for that particular thing. So based on our information, we are coming.
Please understand.
So another example is
Yes, Sharon.
yes, so another example is matrimonial sites wherein they give information about
Fantastic.
another person.
Very good example. Yes, matrimonial site, we are paying to get the information of the prospect. Likewise, please tell some example.
Sir, I would want to stick up with the.
Yes, Sanoj.
Jason, sir, not Sanoj. Jason.
Sanoj is also telling. Yes, yes, yes.
Social media as well as information and ideas.
Yes, that's fine, sir. That is a media. But whether I am paying money to use Facebook.
Yes, sir. So there are certain shops that you go to and they take all your information. They take your name, they take your number, and there are third party companies who pay to take all those information so that they could make a follow up sales.
Please tell example. Don't sell some company. Melvin, please tell some company. Please tell specific site, specific company, specific product. Marketing, please.
So there are also
all
books.
websites, sir, any website that we enter into, like let's say shiksha.com. When we enter shiksha.com, they ask us our mail, they ask us our numbers and everything. And for the rest of our lifetime, they continue to use this information to text us about all the colleges and everything. So they are basically using our information that we gave them.
No, whether we are paying for it, whether we are paying, they are using our different thing. Whether we are paying to use the information.
The data, to be precise. I mean, concluding what he told, it would be data. Like all these phone manufacturers, let it be Jio, let it be Airtel, they use our data.
Who is
so utilizing
selling the data? Who is selling the data? I am asking. Who is selling the data? Who is buying the data?
So providers, service providers are selling it. Service providers are selling the data.
So for example, Samsung will buy data from Facebook. For Facebook, we will get all the Samsung users right now, or the customers who are searching for a Samsung phone right now. So Samsung will search for the data from Facebook, and they will only market their product to certain customers.
Sir, a good example of that is Google AdWords. They get the information from the Google engine about which all sites they can put their advertisement in, and it gives the user spending their money, so that if I want to advertise one particular product like shoe to every to shoe websites, like Google AdWords will present it, will display the advertisement there. So information and idea is being sold over there. So yes. Google AdWords, sir.
So another example is Zomato. If you're buying in Zomato and if you're a regular customer on Zomato, Zomato will recommend your name to other merchandise like Good Bowl or Empire or stuff like this. And that's when you start getting advertisements on your phone. If you see you have certain kind of offers. So they sell your information basically, and even CIBIL scores. That's how you get loan offers and all that. So.
Yes, fine. So you got some idea, right?
Mainly digital media advertising.
Yes, Andrews. Yes.
Mainly digital media advertising.
Okay, fine. So even Atlas, if you're buying Atlas, correct? If you're buying a book, if you're buying a newspaper.
Yes, sir, books as well.
You are not buying for that product, you are buying information. Correct? Even it is a LinkedIn, even it is a Facebook, even it is a Google, whatever it may be. We are using free, but our data can be sold to somebody who is expecting for that. So the data can be sold, the information can be sold, the ideas can be sold. Are you got the point? Yes? Can we move to the next? Thank you. Can we move to the next? Because I have a little internet delay. Can we move? Is it audible, friends? Just a minute, I'll check my internet. Sell persons, celebrity, nominates, etc. We can sell places, okay? So we can sell properties. Places means actually we are using for that tourism, okay? So if you are going to China, we can going to Japan means we are actually marketing the place, okay? Then organization can be marketed. So all the company brand name, why they are branding their name? Kristu Jayanti College, it's organization. If you are marketing means it is a marketing of organization. Information and idea as we discussed. So please understand there are a lot of ways we can market different things. It's not only related to goods. Okay. So marketing, we can call it as a exchange process. So one side there is a supplier, or it can be called as a manufacturer, or it can be as a marketer or a seller. Another side who is called as a customer. Okay. So here the seller, what he is selling is not only the good or services, he is actually selling a benefit which is expected from the customer. So what the supplier is selling, he is actually selling benefit or value to the customer, not only the physical product. So for example, Philip Kotler once told, I am not buying a drilling machine. I am not buying a drilling machine. I am paying for creating holes. Drilling machine is only just an instrument. So for example, writing, I need something to write. My value expected is I have to write something visibly. So it can be a pen, it can be a pencil, it can be a chalk piece, it can be whatever it may be. So we are not buying a product alone. We are buying a benefit or a value, that we have to understand. In reverse, what the customer is giving? Giving money. Okay. So marketing is an exchange product. The supplier is actually selling the value. The customer is returning some money on behalf of it. So that is actually marketing. So in other ways, we can say the marketing, if you want to understand marketing means we have to understand what is meant by need, what is meant by want, what is meant by demand. Okay. Then this based on the need, want, demand, we have to produce a product. So we have to understand what the customer is looking for, what is his need, what is his wish, what is the demand. All the words are different. Need is different, want is different, wish is different, dream is different, demand is different. Demand is the final word which is expected for the marketing. Based on this, we have to create a product and services. But we have to ensure these product and service create some value and satisfaction on the customer mind. Okay. So it is an exchange process. We are exchanging in market. So a market is a place or space or anything where the buyer and seller come together to buy the product. So the entire process is called as marketing. Okay. Yes. So here we have to focus on the buyer relation when we are doing marketing. So we are a common person, we are a marketing means another side there is a seller, another side there is a buyer. We are a marketing person means we have to understand both needs. Everybody is having their needs. Okay. Buyer decision, why he has to buy the product and what he actually want to buy and how he want to buy. The method, where. So these questions we have to keep in mind. So before producing a product, before marketing your product, we have to ask thousands of questions from the buyer perspective. Okay. Yes, from the based on the question, you have to suggest to the marketer, suggest to the seller. If you are a marketing person means fine. If you are a manufacturer itself means you can decide. So you have to decide based on that how I have to present my product. How I can, so it can be a color, it can be a package, it can be a design, but how I can present to him, where I can present, how I can present, whether I can present in hand, whether I can put a courier or whether I can go for a channel management using a retailer, wholesaler, etc. These decisions has to be made and what to offer. That is a product package, what to offer, then when to sell. So based on, so I listed only 3 questions, but we can have thousands of questions. We can select 10 top questions. We have to create an answer for the question, then only the buyer will get satisfied. So marketing is related to satisfying customers. So, but here we will have a lot of confusion with related to sales and marketing. So we are not studying sales. We are studying about marketing. So simple. In fast I will explain what is the difference between sales and, but it is a very big debate. One day we'll have an activity. Okay. Sales focus means mostly if you are trying to sell your product. If you want to push your product, then you can say that I am selling the product. So here the main objective is mainly focus on the organization objective. The organization objective can be a profit, can be a sales, or can be a pride or image creation. So if I am thinking only about my company objective, then I can say that it is a sales focused marketing. But when you are thinking about a customer need, then it can be a marketing focus. So here in the sales, we mostly focus on product, selling goods and services. So here we mostly what we are going to give. But here, marketing, what we are doing, what satisfies him actually. We have to understand his need, we have to understand his want, we have to understand satisfaction. That we have to do. Then sales means we try to sell our product to whomever it is possible. We created a product, we are looking for the people to sell it immediately. Okay, we are not focused. But in terms of marketing means segmentation, targeting, positioning. These are three words important in marketing. So we won't go and approach all the customers. Either we will create customer or we will identify some customers. So in marketing, we will be so specific. That is marketing. Next, sales focus is already told that either it can be objective is to increase the profit, increase the sales volume. But here marketing is always related to customer satisfaction, customer satisfaction, customer satisfaction. But doesn't mean that they want to satisfy only the customers. By satisfying the customer, they will get a profit. By identifying the customer need, they will sell the product. So what we can say, marketing is a big circle, sales is a small circle. Okay, there are a lot of difference in terms of sales and marketing is that. Just I am giving a brief introduction. So marketing means we have to start thinking about customer need. And at the end of the day, we have to satisfy the customer. But the sales focus means we have a product, we have to push the product to whomever possible. So we won't bother about who is buying, whether he is satisfying or not. After sales, nothing. I want to sell the product. That's the difference between sales and marketing. Okay. So who are all the members in the marketing? So if we say marketing means, as we discussed, we know only seller and buyer. But it's not so. If you want to market the product, there should be some buyer, there should be some sellers. If the seller is not manufacturing, we should have some person to manufacture it, and there may be some person can promote it. So sometimes seller, manufacturer, marketer, everything can be same, but nowadays everything is segmented. One person is selling. For example, retailer is selling. Manufacturer, I am a company. Okay, I am a company, I am manufacturing. You are a marketer, maybe advertising consultant or business consultant. So you promote my business. So seller is different, manufacturer is different, market is different. Can be, sometimes all can be together. Okay, so these are also can be member of the marketing. Next one, when there is a market, there should be a competition. So for example, we use the word called sellers. So later we will discuss what is meant by competition. There are different types of competitions are there. Okay. So in the market, there will be a buyer, there will be a seller. At the same time, there will be another seller who disturb me, who distract my customer. Okay. He deviate the customer to buy from me. So he is called as a competitor. Competitor is a separate topic we will discuss. Then I want to sell the product. I cannot sell the product to you directly. If means I have to depend on dealer. I have to depend on brokers, agents, etc. So there are who are in between me and you, they are called as intermediaries. Okay, fine. So in today's term, we cannot sell whatever we produced. We cannot charge a price whatever we decided. So there will be a regulatory authority. So mostly it will be a government organization. Okay, they will be regulating what to sell, what we should not sell, and what is the maximum retail price, what is the quality standard. So there will be some person who regulating our marketing. Then there are some another segment is coming nowadays, is becoming very important. They are called as payment facilitator. So earlier we did everything using cash or credit directly to the retailer. So before 10 years, if I am going to buy a jewelry, means so either the jewelry shop will receive a cash or otherwise they will give a credit. So partially I will pay in an installment. But nowadays what is happening? I can go to the jewelry shop, I can use my HDFC ATM card or Paytm, anything. So the seller is separate, buyer is separate, facilitator is separate, payment separated. So when I bought the product, there is no responsibility of me with the seller. It ends. I swiped, so it ends. So next question is between me and only the banker or the payment facilitator. So nowadays it is emerging, they are called as payment. So if we say market, there will be a payment facilitation also we have to keep in mind. Apart from it, logistics and supply chain and storage, warehouse. So if it is produced means I cannot directly deliver to you. So somebody has to pack it, somebody has to transport it, somebody has to load it, somebody has to unload it. In between there will be a quality check. It cannot be sold immediately, means it has to be kept in a certain period of time in a storage or warehousing. Transportation, I need some vehicles, I need some agents, etc., etc., etc. These all things can be called as a logistics or supply chain or warehouse provider. So logistics is a common word which includes everything. So if you want to market means we have to check all these things. Buyer, I am a seller. If I am not manufacturer, who can promote my product? What about my competition? Who can be intermediary? Whether I can have only one intermediary, I can have more intermediary. Who is regulating me? Whether my product policy is at par with the government regulation. Who can support the customer, my customer, in making a payment? Because even without any money, I can buy a car. Because there is a payment facilitator. With the condition, they will take care of me. So as a manufacturer, as a marketer, I have to understand this is my customer need. Earlier it was said that the buyer's ability to buy the product. Demand means ability of the buyer. Today, even you are not having any ability to buy the product, if the banker is ready to support you, I can make a sale. So as a marketer, my job is not only to study about you, I have to study about the banker who can facilitate you. That is also important role. Apart from the logistics, supply chain, warehousing, etc. has to also to be studied. Okay. So the marketing is not a single term which satisfies these things. So mostly we speak about customer satisfaction. Mostly we speak about customer satisfaction. But if you want to satisfy the customer means how many things? Here there is only few list. There are n number of things has to be done. So for example, competitive advantage. I have to explain to you how my services, my quality is comparatively better than others. Competitive advantage. I have an advantage to you comparing with the competitor. I am better than the competitor. That's a competitor that I have to prove. Then I have to create a corporate image. Even I have very good product, very good quality, very good brand name. If my company is not having very good brand name, you won't buy. Okay, so I have to create a brand name for my organization. That is also marketing. Then if I am having only one product, there is a lot of problem in the stability. So I have to expand my product in another area, and I have to expand my product line also. Then if you are a satisfied customer, even then my competitor will disturb you with the price. So I have to try to reduce the price without reducing the profit. It can happen only because of economies of scale. The best way to produce a best quality product at the cheapest price, that is called as economies of scale. That I have to adopt. Efficiency. So how better I can serve you. And when I am saying everything, I have to satisfy you, I have to maintain image. This all incurs lot of expenses, lot of effort. By thinking about this, I should not give up my organization objective. The organization objective can be a sales. Organization objective can be a profit. Organization objective can be dealing the customer. Organization objective can be branding. Organization objective can be going for global. Organization objective can be just a survey in the market, whatever it may be. So whenever I am doing all these things, I have to at par match with my organization objective. Then for this I have to use my resources properly. Resources, men, money, material, machine, method. These are the 5 M's we will speak in management. So I have to use my employees. I have to use my technologies. I have to use my money properly. I have to use my supplier properly. I have to use my raw material properly. I have to use all my resources to satisfy you. Thereby I am satisfying my objectives. Then I have to create a brand loyalty. So one time selling to you is not a long-term business. I have to remain to you again and again. I have to satisfy you regularly. So I have to create a brand loyalty. Then brand equity. Brand equity means, for example, Google means you will say this much million crore it's worth. Means it's not about a product. The organization has created a brand equity, worth in the market. Then brand image. If you say Pepsi, something comes to your mind. If I say Colgate, something comes to your mind. If I say Dell, something comes to you. That something is called as brand image. If I name any one person, we should remember something. If it's so, then you created your brand image. If I am reading the name, for example, Josephine Salim, I am reading the name, but I am not getting anything means you are not branded. Your image is not created here. So company has to create a brand image without saying the name, without writing something. The customer should be able to recollect you. The brand image is also important. At the same time, benefit to the stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders? Who invested on my company, my customer, public, okay, whoever, my employees, everyone. So whoever is working for the goodness of the organization, whoever expects my organization to succeed, everybody is called as stakeholder. So I have to take care of all these things that we are going to study about the marketing concepts. Okay. So with this, any doubt, friends? Hello.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So why I'm asking is I a little bit might be rushing because we should not skip the concepts. So we will do lot of activities, but at the same time we should not miss what has to be learned. Friends, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes, I will little bit throw some lights that has to be discussed. It is a brief, but we will discuss in activities and the next classes also. So next we are moving to the definition 4 P's: needs, wants, demands, challenges and opportunities. Okay. So marketing we discussed earlier. The concept is okay. Next we are moving to important 4 words in marketing. Actually 7 P's in service marketing, 4 P's in marketing. So this 4 words is coined by McCarthy in 1950. So when we say marketing differently, everybody is giving lot of explanation. He found if you are explaining about the 4 words about your product, about your company, then you are explaining the entire things about marketing. So he concluded the 4 words that is called as 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion. Okay, I will just brief, then we will later see the slide. So product means, please understand, product means it's not only the product. If you say product means, we have to see how many varieties are there. What about the quality, design, brand name, features, packaging, everything is called as product. Product means not only, soap means I have to think what is the flavor, what is the color, what is the package, what is the company name, how much worth it is, everything is called as a product. So that is product. So product is anything which satisfies customer need and which gives money back to the seller. Okay. Next one, price. We'll say price means there are a lot of meaning is there. Price is the amount of money that the buyer is ready to pay. Okay. Fine. I am check with the chat. Some reminders. Yes. Thank you. Fine. As I informed, thanks for the information. But sometime